Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the all new Huawei Nova 7i versus the Realme 6 Pro. And the Realme 6 Pro is powered by Snapdragon 720G chipset with 8GB of RAM, while the Huawei Nova 7i comes with the beast Huawei Kirin 810 chipset, which is based on 7nm architecture. And also we have a 8GB of RAM on the Nova 7i as well. And both phones comes with the quad cameras on the back, as you can see. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Logo came up first on the Realme 6 Pro, followed by the Huawei Nova 7i, and both phones is running on Android 10. We have a Realme UI 1.0 on the Realme 6 Pro versus a EMUI 10 on the Huawei Nova 7i. And let's see who is faster there. And you can see Huawei Nova 7i, it is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Realme 6 Pro, now it is also done. About 1 or 2 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, both phones give you a full HD IPS LCD display, but we have a single punch hole display on the Huawei Nova 7i versus a dual punch hole display on the Realme 6 Pro. And also Realme 6 Pro comes with a 90Hz display, and you can see it feels really smooth compared to the 60Hz on the Huawei Nova 7i. Everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both these two devices. And the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. That is a little bit faster on the Realme 6 Pro. The settings on both phones, and that it seems like a little bit faster on the Nova 7i again, just a tiny bit faster there. Now let's see mic lock, faster on the Huawei Nova 7i again. The calendar, faster on the Nova 7i again. Now let's see the Amazon shopping on both phones, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, followed by the Realme 6 Pro. Let's see the scrolling, you can see feels much smoother on the Realme 6 Pro thanks to 90Hz display. Now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga and Huawei Kirin 810 versus a Snapdragon 720G. And you can see Huawei Kirin 810, it is faster there, followed by the Realme 6 Pro. Instagram, about the same on both phones. Snapchat, about the same on both phones, and you can see we don't get any Google Play services on the Huawei Nova 7i. Spotify, little bit faster on the Nova 7i. Subway Surfer, next game application in the speed test, and you can see that Huawei Nova 7i, and you can see about the same on both phones at the end. Before seems like the Huawei Nova 7i it is beat the Realme 6 Pro. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and that is again faster, and you can see seems like a little bit faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. Let's see. Yes, it is just a tiny bit faster there. Now let's opening up the Twitter. Faster on the Nova 7i, which faster there. Zedge, and that is about the same on both phones, no difference there. We have 90Hz, which I really like on the Realme 6 Pro. My files seems like a little bit faster on the Realme 6 Pro. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go. Faster on the Nova 7i, followed by the Realme 6 Pro. Now let's see the Wikipedia.org. Same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, followed by the Realme 6 Pro. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones, and I am using the Huawei internet browser on the Huawei Nova 7i versus the Google Chrome on the Realme 6 Pro. Let's see the wwe.com, next website, and faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, and you can see followed by the Realme 6 Pro. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones, much smoother on the Realme 6 Pro thanks to 90Hz again. Let's see the RAM management on both phones. Both phones give you a 8GB of RAM, so very interesting to see who is perform better in the RAM management. Phone dialer, no refresh on both phones. Settings, no refresh. Mic lock, no refresh. Amazon shopping, let's see the calendar, no refresh. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, no refresh on both phones. Both phones perform really good in the RAM management. Instagram, Snapchat, Spotify, Let's see Subway Surfer, no refresh on both phones. Let's see the Temperan 2, again no refresh. Let's see the Twitter, Zedge, my first. And last we're back to the internet browser where we left. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed it is definitely faster on the Huawei Nova 7i thanks to a very good chipset. RAM management is absolutely incredible on both phones. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Huawei Nova 7i versus the Realme 6 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.